Hey artists, I'm Jack. Today it's Halloween in Bikini Bottom. We'll draw 6 spooky SpongeBob characters. Ready? Grab your pen. Let's go. First we draw our favorite SpongeBob. Draw a wavy rectangle for SpongeBob's body. Add to big round eyes and square teeth. Add holes and sponge dots. Fun! Give him a ghost sheet shape over his pants and a little candy bucket. Great job! SpongeBob's done. If you love him, smash that like button. Now, let's draw Patrick. Start with a soft star shape for Patrick's body. Add a ragged ghost sheet with 2 holes for his arms. Patrick loves sweets. Draw sleepy eyes and his goofy smile. Awesome! Patrick is ready for Halloween. Now, draw Mr. Krabs. Draw a round body and big claws on each side. Sketch a cape around his shoulders and a little belt. Add coins or a tiny treasure chest if you want. Add tall stalk eyes and his wide grin. Nice! Mr. Krabs is spooky and rich. Let's start drawing Squidward. Give him a tall wizard hat and a flowing cloak. Draw a long oval face with a big nose. Add narrow eyes and a grumpy eyebrow. Finish with a wand or staff. Make him extra dramatic. Perfect! Squidward looks magical. Hit like and subscribe for more fun. Now, it's Sandy's turn. Add big eyes, whiskers, and a happy smile. Give her a pointed witch hat and a broom or wand. Add her fluffy tail poking out. Adorable! Nice! Sandy's ready to fly. Last but not least, Plankton. Draw a small oval body and one big cyclops eye. Give him a spooky cloak and a little starry hat. Add tiny antennae and a wicked grin with sharp teeth. Make him look tiny, but mischievous. Done! Plankton is on a Halloween mission. All the characters are done. Now color them. Use bright yellows, pinks, greens, and spooky purples. Let's start coloring SpongeBob. He's super bright and super spooky today. Look at that yellow shine. SpongeBob always glows, even on Halloween. Wow, SpongeBob looks amazing now. Next, let's color Patrick. He's the cuttest ghost in the ocean. Patrick loves candy, so let's make his costume extra sweet. Wow, Patrick is looking spooky and silly. Now it's time to color Mr. Krabs. His costume looks so cool. Mr. Krabs loves shiny things, so his colors should really pop. Awesome! Mr. Krabs looks ready for a spooky treasure hunt. Time to color Squidward. Even on Halloween, he still looks grumpy. But his wizard hat will look magical once we add some color. Wow, Squidward looks perfectly grumpy and magical. Let's color Sandy now. She's the bravest witch in the sea. Her outfit is so fun. This is going to look amazing. Nice. Sandy looks ready to fly off on her broomstick. Last one. Let's color Plankton. He may be tiny, but he's super spooky today. This little monster loves Halloween and may be stealing the formula. Wow, Plankton looks creepy and cool.
Yay!
All done. Our whole Halloween bikini bottom looks colorful and amazing.